They wanna know me now, they wanna know me now. But when it was back then, they was all off me. But they wanna know me now, wanna know me now. Drum and bass is the clickiest scene I've ever been in. If you don't fit in, forget any chance they let you in it. Unless you're winning or winning, no, you're not winning. They only want you to give up on your decisions, listen. I'll be honest, girls and drum and bass don't get a look in. Check the lineup, tell me how many girls you see them booked in. I think it's stupid, I don't wanna hear excuses. Need to learn to share the stage or I'm afraid you're gonna lose it. Yeah, you know what's up. This time I come for blood. I'm blowing up, now they can tell me I am not enough. I'm versatile and that is something they can't stop, no. But they're like, sorry, you don't fit inside our box, bro. But that is fine with me, yeah, that aligns with me. Unfortunately for me, you don't control the life I lead now. I think you're fine, they got a couple names in mind. Chill belly, electric black so they can read between the lines.
Check it out.
Everything can change in a blink. I can see the change in me. I can see the face of the earth and the way that it turns and the way that it works seems strange to me. But look, I wait patiently. For a long time I was stationary. I only pushed myself to leave when I had anxiety chasing me. But I'll be honest, girls and drum and bass don't get a look in. Check the lineup, tell me how many girls you see them booked in. I think it's stupid, I don't wanna hear excuses. Need to learn to share the stage or I'm afraid you're gonna lose it. That's humanity, darling, and it's evolving. Pay attention to everyone and you'll notice. We need medicine and we need microdoses. It's only cause my doctor said my brain is slightly broken. It's not, nah, it works in a different way and every boy is different in the way that they communicate. My name is Maddie, I got ADD, it's in my name. I get a little hyper, psychologically I'll never cape. I may be a little different, but I've got words to speak. I've got words to get off my chest and secrets I can't keep. I've got things to learn and I've got things to teach. I've got things to understand, bitch, I got goals to reach. But body doubling, I struggle with the daily task. But I can feel my inside voice getting loud and it just won't stop. I shift my perception, trust my senses, I've detected that something's off. I'm not wrong, I know exactly where it comes from. And it took so long for the fear to drop, but the trust was lost. So I had to get going, get gone, headstrong, getting on, getting up from the ground to the top. Did you see where I've started from? I had to have that realization, frustration, cause it took so long. Now I'm unlearning mechanisms that I look from coping. Now I'm open, they wanna know me now, they wanna know me now. But when it was back then, it was all off me. But they wanna know me now, wanna know me now. They wanna know me now, they wanna know me now. But when it was back then, it was all off me. But they wanna know me now, wanna know me now.